showing the ICT project and I am showing how to play the quick draw game. So firstly we have to double click on the Microsoft Edge icon which will open Microsoft Edge, and then we have to search quick draw, and after that we will get a link that has an underlined quick draw. Then we have to click on it and then it will open. Then a let's draw button will come and we have to click on it. After that they will tell us to draw something.
I see moon, or hurricane, or anvil, or telephone,
So here they
or
tell
tornado.
us, and then
I see
we make
toothpaste.
it. And if we don't want to make it, then we can also skip it.
I see
Here
nose,
I am making an umbrella.
or golf club, or leg. Oh, I know, it's umbrella. I see line, or nose, or wine bottle, or vase. I see toothpaste. Oh, I know, it's bottle cap. I see squiggle,
Now, if we
or
also
circle.
don't know and we made something wrong, we can erase it and
I
then
see circle,
we can again make it.
or moon, or blueberry, or apple. I see compass.
Then now I'm
I see
drawing
moon,
Earth.
or circle, or cookie. Oh, I know, it's earth. I see nose, or marker, or skyscraper, or toothpaste. I see saw, or robot. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
So now they are showing us. Then we can also see that what we have made wrong, or we can play again with this button also, and if we want to leave we can leave. After leaving it we can directly click on the close button at the corner of the Microsoft Edge, and this is how we will play quick draw. Submitted by Bhargav Swapnil Bendale, class 3C, roll number 11, school GIIS.